Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this session, we are going to discuss about today's current affairs, that is current affairs of February 4, 2021. Let us begin. World Cancer Day. Every year, February 4 is celebrated as World Cancer Day. The celebration is led by the Union for International Cancer Control. It is a non-governmental organization that is headquartered at Geneva, Switzerland. India is a member of Union for International Cancer Control. The main aim of the World Cancer Day is to support the goals of World Cancer Declaration that are provided by the Union for International Cancer Control. The objective of the day is to reduce illness and death caused by cancer. The World Cancer Day is also observed by the United Nations. It was established in 2000 at the World Cancer Summit celebrated at Paris. The theme of 2021 World Cancer Day is I Am and I Will. This is the theme since 2019. Why is the World Cancer Day important? According to the World Health Organization, 17 people are dying in the world due to cancer every minute. Deep Ocean Mission. During the budget session 2021-22, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced the Deep Ocean Mission. Around 4,000 crores of rupees have been allocated to this mission. The main aim of the mission is to learn about the ocean resources and to conserve marine biodiversity. It is important to launch this mission because globally only 11% of marine species have been discovered. The mission is to be held in 75,000 square kilometers of ocean water area allotted to India by the United Nations in the Central Indian Ocean Basin. Now, why is this mission needed? So far, India has explored only till 500 meters of its oceans. A study from the National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research says that Indian Ocean is rich at 3,000 to 6,000 meters. So it is essential to launch deep ocean missions to explore the resources at these depths. The current ocean exploration projects undertaken by the Government of India are OSTOMS and OSMART. These projects are implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. OSTOMS. The Government of India launched the OSTOMS project to achieve the following objectives. The OSTOMS was launched to strengthen ocean observational networks. These networks help to monitor, validate satellite data and provide input for ocean atmospheric models. Also, these networks help to understand ocean dynamics, ocean state forecasts, climate variability, sea level variations, and ocean flux studies. Ocean dynamics is the changes occurring in the ocean. Ocean state forecast are, for instance, occurrence of cyclones, tsunamis, etc. Now, what are ocean flux studies? Now, ocean flux is the exchange between the ocean water and the atmosphere or ocean water and the ocean floor. For instance, evaporation occurring in ocean is an air-sea flux. These ocean fluxes are direct climate indicators. They help the scientists find how atmosphere forces influence ocean variability. The OSTOMS project also provides ocean informational services. This will help to monitor the health of coastal water and manage coastal marine area. Also, these informational services help to operate tsunami warning systems. The OSTOMS project helped to conduct ocean surveys. Now, these surveys are essential to explore polymetallic nodules, hypothermal sulfide minerals, cobalt crusts, and gas hydrates. The gas hydrates are highly important in exam point of view. This is because recently the foremost economies of the world like US, China, Russia are investing huge amounts of money in search of these gas hydrates in the ocean waters. This is because the gas hydrates are highly energy rich sources. Now let us learn what are these gas hydrates. Gas hydrates are nothing but ice-like crystalline structures. They are formed when low molecular weight gases like methane, carbon dioxide or ethane combine with water and freezes under low temperature. Now, they are valuable energy sources. They contain twice the amount of carbon in coal reserves. On the other hand, they are dangerous because decomposition of these gas hydrates release large amounts of methane. So, it is important to explore them, exploit them before they decompose. The OSTOMS project will also help to acquire, operate and maintain ocean research vessels. Also, it will help to develop ocean technologies for deep sea mining, develop unmanned submersibles, coastal environmental engineering and marine instrumentation, and also help in creating seafront facilities. OSMART project. The OSMART is Ocean Services Modeling Application Resources Technology Project. Now, it was approved by the Union Cabinet in 2018 and is still under implementation. The main aim of the project is to boost ocean research and set up early warning systems. The objectives of the project are as follows. The project aims to generate and update information about the marine living resources in the Indian exclusive economic zones. This will help to learn about the relationship with the physical environment. The project also helps to monitor the levels of seawater pollutants. This will help to assess the health of coastal waters in India. The OSMART project also aims to develop shoreline change maps. This will help to assess the coastal erosion caused due to natural and anthropogenic activities. The OSMART project also aims to develop ocean observation systems. These systems help to acquire real-time data from the seas around India. This information will help the testing and sea trial activities of ocean technologies. The project also aims to generate ocean information, advisories, warnings, data and data products for the benefit of the society. It aims to develop high-resolution models for ocean forecast and reanalysis system. Ocean forecasts are highly important for the safety of fishermen. The project aims to develop algorithms that will help in validation of satellite data for coastal research. This will help to monitor changes in the coastal researches. Also, it aims to acquire coastal research vehicles. These vehicles will help in coastal pollution monitoring, testing of various underwater components, and technology demonstrations. The OSMART project also aims to develop technologies that will help to find marine bioresources, generate fresh water, that is establishing water desalination plants, to tap ocean energy from tidal waves, and to develop underwater vehicles and technologies. It will also focus on establishing ballast water treatment facilities. This ballast water treatment is very important in terms of exam because it is a current environmental issue. Okay, now let us understand what is this ballast water. When a ship starts its voyage from a port, it might be empty, that is without carrying any cargo. So in order to balance the weight of the cargo ship, the ballast tank, which is located in the sole of the ship, is filled with water or sandbags. Okay, this is done to mainly help the ship support its weight. Now, when the ship reaches its destination, this water is emptied out of the ballast tank. Later, the cargo, maybe oil or vegetables or whatever the ship was intended to carry, is filled in. Okay, in this ballast tank. Now, how is this ballast tank becoming, that is ballast water becoming an environmental issue? To learn about this, let us continue further. What is ballast water? The ballast water is fresh water or salt water. It is held in the ballast tanks and cargo holds of the ships. Okay. Now, it is used to provide stability to the ships during voyage. This is especially when the ships are not carrying cargo or not carrying heavy enough cargo, or when more stability is required due to rough seas, that is because of cyclones or storms, etc. Now, why is this ballast water harmful? Because these ballast waters introduce invasive species, exotic species and non-native species. By taking water from one port and discharging it to another port during the next port call, the ballast tanks introduce these species to the destination port. Okay, this is why environmentally the ballast water is harmful, and the ballast water has to be treated before it is being discharged in a particular port. So the government of India is focusing on establishing ballast water treatment facilities through this OSTOMS project. The OSMART project will also carry out exploration of polymetallic nodules from the water depth of 5,500 meters in the site of 75,000 square kilometers allotted to India by United Nations in the Central Ocean Basin. The polymetallic nodules are nothing but manganese nodules. They are rock concretions formed of concentric layers of iron and manganese hydroxides around a core. So basically they constitute iron and manganese. Okay. They contain multiple metals such as copper, nickel, cobalt, manganese, iron, lead, zinc, aluminium, silver, gold, platinum, etc. Now you know why these polymetallic nodules are important, because they contain these many metals. Okay, so they are highly energy resourceful. Okay, now they are formed out of precipitate of hot fluids from the upwelling hot magma from the deep interior of the oceanic crust. Now, it is important for India to mine polymetallic nodules, as there are no terrestrial sources of these metals in India. Now, the exploration of polymetallic sulfides is to be done near Rodrigues Triple Junction. This is at the convergence of Central Indian Ridge, Southeast Indian Ridge and the Southwest Indian Ridge. This is all located under the Indian Ocean. Okay. In the 10,000 square kilometer of area allotted to India in the international waters by the International Seabed Authority.